Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, Monday, November the 14th, 2022. Still Monday. In this additional, I've already solved two puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it block. And this one, you are interested in this one, yes, boys and girls. This will be number 5480. A binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time. Binary time. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with this. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Then, wow. Between two O's comes in 1. Well, I need to think. Well, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this first row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be an O. This should be a 1. Alright. Double O. Oh, 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. We have here 3 1s. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be a no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Then we have here 3 1s. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Still have 3 1s in this row. If I place number 4 there, then we have still 3 O's in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be a no. Alright, and a no between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. So, but I do not know in which order. So, we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O then. Alright, double O, here 1, there 1. 3 O's we have here. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So this box should be an O then. 4 O's we have here in the first row. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here in the first column. So the rest are O's. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Of course, we have a double O here. Haha. Alright. Now, the difficult part. The difficult part now. I think we need to compare. Here we have 3. Here we have also 3 O's. 3 O's. 3 O's. Yeah. O and a 1. O and a 1. O and a 1. Yeah. We need to compare, I think. Alright. These two columns I cannot compare. How about double one and double O here? Oh, no, it's not the same. Double one, no, double O then. This column and that column. 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box 1 1 0 0 0 0. We need to switch those two digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 5 minutes. Wow. And I like this one. Only one time comparing. Yes. If you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in a minute with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.